What's going on, my friend? Garrett Beery here from growwithgarrett.com. Now, chances are you're watching this video because you're researching email processing system. Maybe you're thinking about joining this. Maybe you don't know all the info on exactly how it works. How are people making so much money with this? Well, either way, you're in the right place because inside of this video, I'm going to share with you some exciting news on, first off, what our team is up to. A lot of people have been wondering, as well as how to make sure you join the right person inside of email processing system. You know, a lot of people, they may see other people in this system, and unfortunately, a lot of people have come to me afterwards saying, Garrett, you know, I wish I would have joined you. I didn't realize I would get all that training through you, and instead I joined someone that maybe isn't that successful online or just kind of left them stranded. So real quick, I'm on my Facebook, and this is actually a screenshot of some of the results that I've been getting every single day. Okay, today, at the time of recording this, you know, it was like $425. The day before it was like $550. And this is absolutely possible when you follow what I'm going to share with you. So right now, though, what I want to do is, because a lot of people think, you know, oh, am I the only one getting results? Well, I want to share with you some of my students and some of my teammates that have also used the same 100 pre-written copy-paste ads. They've started sharing them on their social media, on Facebook, on Instagram. They've just recommended people to their Done For Them website, and the website started making them deposits into their PayPal. And I want to share with you some of the results right now so you can see that no matter where in the world you are, no matter what your background or experience level, if you're coachable and you're willing to learn, there's no reason why you can't also see some good results. So let me go ahead and do that real quick, and let's take a look. All right, so as you can see right here, you know, one of our teammates posted in our private Facebook community where we offer 24/7 support for everyone who joins, that, you know, they were a beginner and they said they made it an incredible $153 for 3 days, okay? And they showed their PayPal account, and it's absolutely incredible. I mean, what would that do for you? Maybe if you're brand new, what would just some extra income flowing in, just doing activities you already do? Chances are you already post on Facebook, you already post maybe on Instagram. What would it be like if you could just post and actually make money from doing that? Here's another person, Melvin, okay? He says, have another sale while watching TV. Okay, this $23.60 just came in while he was just relaxing with his feet up, watching TV, okay? So again, what would that feel like if you could just watch TV, maybe with your friends, maybe with your loved one, and check your phone and feel that rush of excitement as another $23 came in, okay? Here's another one. It's a great day, everyone. I love getting these $100 payments. Okay, and they showed a screenshot of their PayPal, and they made $100. Okay, $100. Most people, you know, I remember when I was a waiter, I used to work at a restaurant called Chili's, which we have in the United States, and I remember working all day, you know, double shifts sometimes on my feet. I'd come home at the end of the day, my feet would be absolutely, you know, just drained. My body would, you know, hurt, and I didn't even make probably $80, okay, in the whole day because I was working on tips. So what would that be like? Here's another person. Hey Garrett, thanks again, man. I figured out what I asked about. You know, I had lost faith, and because of this community, you've given me hope. I've grown not just financially, but mentally as well. Maybe just a few more. Hey, I got 2 sales, and I honestly just want to thank you. Okay, 2 sales. Again, you know, this is amazing. These people have never really done anything like this. Hey Stud, just had another person join through me. Hey Garrett, just want to say your posts are inspiring. I didn't have the startup funds. Okay, so this person didn't even have the $100 to get started, but he told himself, I won't let anything stop me. He borrowed it from his cousin. Okay, so, you know, maybe you don't have $100 laying around, but you could probably borrow it from a friend, a family member. You can sell an item on Craigslist, and you can get started and start seeing some absolutely incredible results. Maybe just one more. EPS, email processing system, is a very rewarding opportunity. Just made this today, and it was $25. That flowed in. And again, $25 may not seem a lot to you, or it may seem like a lot, but any extra money posting on Facebook in, you know, about 10 minutes is absolutely incredible. All right, my friend, now maybe you want more information, or you want to know how you can just partner with our team today, and again, access those 100 pre-written done for you ads that you can just post on your Instagram, Craigslist, and start getting these deposits every single day into your PayPal. Well, the first step is to go to the link below, and once you do, you're gonna get taken to a page that looks something like this, okay? Then what I want you to do is put in your best email. And once you hit get instant access, you're gonna instantly get sent directly to your email inbox the overview website. And it's gonna look something like this, okay? Now this website, you can go ahead and watch this video. You can read more of my story. You can see how, you know, I've been you know, I didn't always succeed. You know, many years I actually struggled. I was on, you know, eating ramen noodles and stuff like that. But then when you're ready, what you want to do is you want to choose one of the levels. There's 3 levels, and every single one of these levels is just a one-time investment, okay? Now, I highly recommend the most popular level, you join at the pro level, okay? It's a one-time investment of $100. And the reason I recommend that, and the reason it's the most popular, is you actually get access to all the training at all the other levels, okay? So once you get started at that $100 level, you actually get access to the $25 and the $50 level. If you try to upgrade later, which you can do, you're gonna have to still pay the full amount of each level. So it's gonna be cost way more, rather than just doing that one-time investment of $100 today, getting all the access to all the training and start to get results. So once you're ready, you just hit get started here, and you're gonna get taken to the order form. Now, this is a safe and secure order form, and you can look at what you'll get, okay, all these incredible, mind-blowing training, and then you just want to start filling out your information. Right here, you're going to put your email. This is the email that you're going to actually get sent the training website when you submit your order. So as you fill out all this information, you enter your card number, you know, whether it's a Visa, a MasterCard, credit, or debit. Once you fill all that out and you hit complete my order, you're instantly going to get a welcome email to this email address with the full training site and the link to join our private Facebook community for 24/7 support, as well as how to contact me personally so I can work with you one-on-one and share with you how I've been able to get results for me and my team, okay? Now, real quick though, I wanna share a funny story. I actually got a message from a guy that's pretty successful online. He had a big team in something else, and he was looking for more value to offer his members. And he actually reached out to me, and I shared with him this information. And he came back to me pretty quickly, and he said, you know, why are you charging just $100? He basically explained, which is true if you've been online for a while. He's like, you know, for all the pre-written ads, for the incredible training, for all the different support, for all the different mind-blowing guidance and coaching, you know, you'd have to invest $1,000 to up to $3,000 online to get anything anywhere close to this. And he basically said, why are you giving it away for the steal of the incredible low price of $100? He basically said, you know, anyone can really, who's serious, can go borrow the $100, can sell an item on Craigslist to raise that money, to find that money and invest. You know, and I kind of laughed and I said, well, you know, it's because I really want to help people. You know, I want to give every person, you know, the average person that maybe is working 2 jobs, maybe doesn't have a lot of time for their friends and family, I want to give them a running start and a chance to really create results online, because I know what it's like to struggle. You know, if you were to go try to, the last thing I'll say, and again, go to the link below if you're interested, get started, and you'll get sent this training so I can work with you. But the last thing I'll say before I get going is, you know, if you were to start a business, let's say a franchise, like a McDonald's, or you wanted to own a Starbucks, you'd have to invest $500,000 on average your first year, and you may not even make the money back, okay? All you have to do is invest $100 to start your own business with this, and one sale, one referral. You could literally join and tell your friend, hey, I'm gonna join this incredible program. Go ahead and let's join together. And you could join, send your link to your friend, and instantly get your money back, okay? You'd make $100 back when you refer them. It's really that simple. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. Again, go to the link below, get started. I look forward to working with you, and I will talk to you very soon. Have a great day.